This week, the Vice-Chancellor received notice of our intention to strike on the 9th, 10th and 11th of June. Leicester UCU's committee agreed that there was no alternative but to escalate our action in defence of our members' livelihoods. This was due to the Exec Board's refusal to make any meaningful offers or concessions in our meeting with them last week. The VC stated that Phase 1 of the Exec Board's Shaping for Excellence programme is now complete and refused to negotiate on the 26 compulsory redundancies. He was very keen to move on to Phase 2, which affects IT services, the Research and Enterprise Division and Learner Services, which includes the Accessibility Centre. This is deeply concerning as colleagues from Phase 1 still deserve fair treatment, and there is every indication that the Exec Board see their brutal tactics as having been successful. Ask the people on the receiving end of this process, such as myself, about how fair and compassionate it was. This is the real impact of Shaping for Excellence. Are you happy to let them set this callous precedent? The Vice-Chancellor may consider it an achievement of the consultation process that only 26 compulsory redundancy notices have been served, but we know the numbers of staff impacted and exiting the university is far higher. How many of your friends and colleagues have been driven to leave? Your Leicester UCU committee approved a 3-day strike if the negotiation meeting last week didn't show any shift in position from the Exec Board. This is happening on the 9th, 10th and 11th of June. If you want fair treatment and representation in future consultations, restructuring and redundancies, then you need to act now, while industrial action can still pressure the Exec Board into change. In the meantime, continue to observe action short of a strike. Stick with it. We can make a difference if we prolong our action. This is our learning community, one that we have built and contributed to over many years. Unfortunately, the Exec Board are not going to stop threatening and damaging our community until we stop them. It will be hard, but there is strength in our collective action and we can do it. Just remember, we are the university.